Hello, in today's video I'm gonna tell you why Intermatic mechanical water heater switches are designed to fail and why and what you can do about it. Hello again. So today I'm gonna be talking about Intermatic water heater timers, why they fail and what you can do about it. Within the last couple of years I went through 3 Intermatic water heater timers, and I'm very frustrated because now I know why they are designed to fail. So this is one water heater timer that failed in my house after maybe 3 years. Then this is water heater timer made by GE. It's also mechanical, that failed again after like maybe 2 or 3 years. Now I have exactly the same one that I installed in my mom's house. Actually, I did a review on how to install it. I think it was 2 or 3 years ago. It failed last year, and now I know why. I'm gonna tell you what you can do about it. And so let's start by telling you why those things fail. Alrighty, so why those fail? So there is nothing wrong with the whole mechanism except for the motor. So Intermatic is really clever and they sell just this motor because basically what happens is that this whole apparatus still works. You can turn on and off water heater manually by pushing this button, and then you're gonna see the light. So this whole thing connects electricity. Once you connect it, everything's fine. But the timer does not rotate, so this device is basically useless. And why it doesn't turn? Because the motor doesn't work. So why does this fail? It's not because of the motor, but there is a very simple thing. When I open this port, let me just zoom in. So the reason this whole mechanism fails is that when I opened the cover, I saw a bunch of small ports laying around, which means those small teeth, they were right here around this small area. So when this wheel was turning, it was moving this wheel. Okay, so this is not the first time that this happened. Basically, the material that those wheels are made of are just designed to fail. Why? Because why not make people go and buy a motor which costs, I think, around $20-30. Now this whole thing cost me probably around $60 and it lasted only 2 years, which is basically garbage. So I assume the manufacturer knows about it. They just make those wheels out of such a cheap material that basically this wheel eats this one, and basically that's what you have to do. You need to replace it. Now this GE timer also is mechanical. I didn't take it apart, but also it stopped working. So you could turn it on and off, I think, manually, but this is not working. So I went through 2 of those. I'm not buying this anymore. I found a better solution where basically there is only one moving port, but there is no way you're gonna strip anything. So what I bought is, this is the basically solution to that. I'm going to go and install the contactor. This is AC contactor that I'm gonna mount over here. So 110 and 110 gonna come in. The same 110 and 110 is gonna go out to the water heater, and the contactor is gonna be operated by 120 volts. So I'm gonna connect contactor with my smart plug, and my smart plug is gonna be turning this thing on and off, giving power to my water heater. And this is how I'm going to have a small water heater with basically no moving parts. If you want to see that, follow my channel. Within a week or 2 I should post the video about how to do it. I'm gonna be working on that this weekend, and I'm gonna give you schematics and everything. This part cost me, I think, $12 on Amazon, and you can buy smart plugs like that, I think for about $20. So basically this is $5, this is 12. So basically under $20 you can have a smart water heater switch. Alright, so within a week or 2 I'm gonna post a video how to change this into a smart water heater timer, and subscribe so you know what, it's there if you're interested. Other than that, give me a thumbs up if you like my video, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.